Hi guys, welcome back to Teaching Machine. This is going to be a series on data scraping and dataset preparation. So let's get started. If you are working on any data science problem or data related problem, you need to acquire your own data. So that might be a problem specific to a domain or a particular problem. So in those cases, you need to get that data from websites. That might be available in any websites, but you need to get that data by using some techniques. So there are various techniques available out there, but I'm going to concentrate on APIs and then web scraping. So what is API? API is application programming interface, where you are going to send some message to a website and in return you will get some response. In between you and that website, API will be there. So here in this picture you can see the illustration. So you are a user. For example, you are searching something on Flipkart. So you are going to Flipkart website and you are going to search something. When you enter the search query, in return Flipkart will show you some results. So Flipkart will be using an API in middle of you and your search query and your machine. So that API will take some input from you and do some processing with the website, and then will return some response. So basically you can use the APIs which are provided by some websites such as Twitter is the most used API out there. So basically by using API you can get the data. I will show you a quick demo after this video, so that you will get to know how to use APIs. In that video I am going to show you how to get the news articles from open source news article provider API, and then how to scrape the data. So web scraping is a technique used to get the data from websites. If you are seeing something on a website, you can scrape that, and scraping is not illegal, but it should not be beyond some levels. So don't worry about that one. If you are a beginner, you should go through these things: LXML, Beautiful Soup, Scrapy. So some other tools are there. You can explore them if you are interested. Else I will show a demo on how to use these things later. So for API testing, we have certain tools available out there. One is Postman. It is widely used tool for API testing. Now I am going to show you a quick demo on how we can use a GDELT API. So GDELT is open source news article provider API. So by using its documentation reference, I am taking a link that will give me some n number of news articles within a duration of 24 hours. Let me run this one. So I am opening my Postman. I already installed it. If you are not installed, you can go through Postman documentation and install it. So Postman is basically a most widely used tool for API testing. So now I am entering some this URL in the Postman, and then I am clicking on submit. So let me see the result. So here are the results. You can use this JSON file. You can parse this JSON and you can use this JSON in anywhere. You can analyze this text, or you can display the text as it is in any websites. You can do anything with the text analysis tools. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please subscribe and share the video with learners. In the next video I am going to show you how to use URL lib and Python for data scraping with a code. Thank you.